Hi, I'm Boen Kelly. I live in Seguin, Texas, home of the world's largest pecan. My mom is a family doctor, and together with my dad, opened her own practice 13 years ago. My dad helps run the office and also homeschools my sisters and me. I have 3 younger sisters and 2 dogs, Daisy and Zeus. I love spending time with my family. We like going on ski trips, playing board games, having ice cream tastings, cupcake wars, celebrating Pi Day, doing escape rooms, and singing together at home and in church.
I started taking karate lessons at 5 years old. When I was 11, my instructor saw my leadership potential and invited me to teach my first class. Since then, I have logged over 200 hours of teaching time. By 15, I'd earned my second-degree black belt and have continued to teach and study since then. Karate taught me that leadership requires perseverance and hard work. During COVID, I helped my church set up and run a brand new live streaming system. A year later, my church flooded due to a burst pipe during the winter storm. I built a new AV booth along with a custom welded table and another AV streaming system. I learned that leaders rise to the occasion in a crisis. In 7th grade, I joined a first LEGO Robotics team. The next year, I formed my own team. I created a 501c3 and recruited friends from church. Robotics has been challenging, but my goal has always been to learn, even at the risk of losing a competition. But this has made us pretty successful. Over the last 6 years in robotics, I've set some huge goals for myself and my team, not always knowing if I would be able to accomplish them. I've learned that leaders are willing to take on risk in order to succeed. Because of my computer vision work, a senior project manager offered me a summer internship at an engineering firm in Los Angeles called What? Oops, I forgot, I'm under an NDA, so I can't tell you where I worked. Anyway, I designed parts for an Amazon robot called Sequoia, which was recently announced in the Wall Street Journal. I've been able to apply the skills I've learned in robotics to a real-world problem. When COVID hit, my mom's medical clinic was very short on staff. She began hiring remote workers, but they weren't mobile. Working with my robotics team, I created RowMD to make them mobile. It features software I created that transmits HIPAA-compliant video and audio.
So what's next for me? One day, I hope to own a Christ-centered engineering firm where I continue to grow professionally and spiritually while serving others. I've come to realize that all my leadership experiences have actually led me to one thing: service. Everything I have done and hope to do is in service to others, but even more, service to God. I know that God has given me talents and I want to develop them fully. In order to do that, I plan to study mechanical engineering at LeTourneau University, where I can form lifelong relationships and continue to learn from peers and mentors in a Christian environment. I want to be an ambassador for Christ in everything I do, utilizing the skills that God has given me. I look forward to starting that journey at LeTourneau.